Did you know Snowflake lets you scale compute without affecting your data? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how virtual warehouses work in Snowflake and why this changes everything for modern data teams. When I started learning about virtual warehouses in Snowflake, I found it really interesting how compute works completely independently from storage. Most traditional databases bundle compute and storage together. That means if one team runs a heavy query, everyone else slows down. But Snowflake was designed differently from the ground up. In Snowflake, virtual warehouses are the compute engines that process your queries and data workloads. Think of them as powerful clusters of computing resources that you can create, manage, and control completely on your own terms. Here's what makes them special. First, you can start or stop them anytime. When you are done processing, just shut it down. You stop paying immediately. There is no idle infrastructure running up your bill. Second, you can scale them up or down based on your workload. Running a simple dashboard query, use a small warehouse. Running a complex machine learning job with billions of rows, scale up to an extra large or even a multi-cluster warehouse. It takes just seconds. Third, and this is really powerful, multiple warehouses can run at the same time without any conflict. Your data science team can train models, your reporting team can run dashboards, your data engineering team can load and transform data, all at the same time, completely independent, zero interference. This means faster performance and dramatically better resource management, especially when handling large data sets across multiple teams and departments. Snowflake also supports multi-cluster warehouses, which automatically add more compute nodes when demand spikes and remove them when things quiet down. This is elastic scaling in action, and it happens automatically in the background. For me, this concept made it completely clear why Snowflake is so efficient for modern data processing. You get the power you need exactly when you need it, and you pay only for what you use. No wasted resources, no performance bottlenecks, no compromises. That is the power of virtual warehouses in Snowflake. Are you learning Snowflake too? Follow for more data engineering content.